AI-assisted content engine, in short, we call this ACE. The purpose is to help you write and publish new articles on your site without you spending countless hours researching. Okay, so to do this, there will be a total of 6 steps that you need to take. Number 1, choose publishing mode, then followed by pick your visual style, then set up AI profile, choose preferred plan, choose content mode, and build my calendar. All right, so I'm going to do a demo for you all. Okay, one moment. Let me go to the back end. All right, so inside back end, you can actually find this ACE just beside the menu that you will see ACE here, over here. Now I'm going to do a reverse way of teaching because I'm going to show you the end product first. Because if later on when I generate the article, usually it will take about almost like several hours. So in this session, it will not be convenient if let's say we are going to wait for like several hours just to watch the articles published, right? So I'm going to show you the end product first. In this case, when we go to ACE overview, you'll be able to see that these are the ready article. All right, ready article. Okay, then later on, after that, then only I show you the steps how you can come to this article, which is already done. All right. So in ACE overview, under schedule updates, you can see that these are all the articles that is ready to publish. All right. So the pictures, then the title, and then schedule the date. All right. Like example, like 6th of August, 7th August, 8th August, so on. All right. So you will see that there's this button which will tick mark approve. It doesn't mean that it's approved already. What it means is that you still is pending your approval. All right. In other words, it's pending your approval. So what you need to do is that you just need to click whether to approve this article to be published on the specific date or not. All right. So if you want to check more information, that you can actually click on the article, and then it will bring you to this article page where you will see the title. Okay, and you will see the image here. If you don't like this image, you can actually regenerate. Then it will regenerate an image of the same visual but different pattern. All right. Then as for the content, if you can, we always encourage you, please go and do proofread first lah. All right, because don't assume that everything is correct, because sometimes AI also can do wrong. Okay, so for your information, go and do proofread first. If let's say you don't like this, you can always regenerate another content, but then you can change yourself individually here. All right, so once done ready, then you can either reject or you can approve to publish. Okay, reject or approve to publish. Now, if you got subscribed to multiple language, then you don't have to prompt it to translate it, because it will auto translate for you. Okay, this is for those of you if you got apply for, you already got subscribed to multiple language one. All right, so this is for the content itself. Then over here, you can see that the SEO analysis, what is the score? And then in terms of the settings for meta title, this will be the slugs in terms of the meta title that will appear on your meta, and the meta description for this article. All right, so I'll just close this one first. Now, as you can see the visual here, this visual later when I go to how to make this article, there will be a series of type of visual that you can actually choose from. All right. Now, the reason why it says approve here, pending approval here, is because if you look at the settings here under ACE settings, if you go to ACE settings, right, under publish mode, there's two types now. One is full autopilot. The other one is need approval. And because when I generate this article, the settings that I've chosen was need approval, which is why all my articles, it will require me to validate first before I approve and before it can be published, approved for publishing. Now, you can actually choose full autopilot. Okay, that means you just you just let the AI to generate the content for you, and then it will automatically publish for you. But there's a catch because certain topics, sensitive topic, I will say that sensitive topics, like if let's say you are in the health industry, or maybe if you are in the legal industries, this might be a bit sensitive, and it will require your additional steps from you to do the verification purpose. Even though if you have selected the full autopilot, okay, only certain industries, or maybe if let's say you are talking about those sensitive topics, then it will, the AI will be able, or the system, in other words, our system will be able to detect. Then it will not publish automatically, even though you have chosen the full autopilot. It will require your additional steps from verification steps from you. All right. So if you go to ACE settings, right, first is that you can go to publish mode, choose whether you want full autopilot or if you need approval. Then after that, once you have selected that, then you go to visual style for featured images. All right, over here, you can upload your pictures. If let's say you do have a specific pictures that you like, maybe you take from search engine like Google, those like free pic or Adobe iStocks, this kind of those public pictures but you like it, but you just want to somehow change that, then you can actually match my image by uploading the pictures that you have upload to that. All right. Alternatively, then if not, then you can come here and then choose the style that you like. All right, the style that you like. As you can see earlier, I've chosen the style is vintage or retro, which is why if you go to the under overview there, the articles that publish, you'll be wondering how come the pictures is like this. Is because inside settings, right, I've selected this as my style. Okay, but of course you can change whether you like it like watercolor, or you want 3D render, illustrated, photographic, or minimal graphic, depending on your own preference. Okay, let's say for example, I've chosen like watercolor. The next thing you need to choose is the mood lah. Say maybe like you prefer it to be clean, refined and understand, or warm and inviting, or playful, or calm and bold, or and energetic lah. All right. So let's say, for example, I've chosen like warm and inviting. Then the next one you need to choose is the color, your color preference. See whether you want it to be like a warm tone, cool tone, neutral, pastel, vibrant, or black and white. Okay, so once you have chosen, let's say, for example, I want it to be vibrant and bold. And then the last one will be set the lighting. All right, the lighting will be soft, studio, dramatic, natural, or bright. Okay, so if let's say, for example, I want it to be dramatic, then I just choose this specific dramatic. All right, now extra instruction, this is optional, no obligation. You can add some further instruction. Let's say, for example, keep warm, natural lighting, feature real people. Okay, then I want my brand color to be this color, specific colors. Also you can give your own prompt. Okay, then after that, you can also stamp your logo on every images. Let's say, for example, you want your articles to have your company logo inside, then you can just upload the pictures lah. Okay, upload the pictures, and then you can put which corner you prefer. And also your company logo, the sizing lah, all right? And then in terms of the opacity, that will be the transparency lah, all right? Okay, then after that, before that, I mean, you need to go and check, see whether your AI profile, have you filled up this AI profile or not? This AI profile, right, when you click on this, right, it actually brings you to this page here. All right, so I mean, if you first time log into your, or if every time you log into your dashboard, right, you might be looking at the pop-up. If you have not filled up, and this is the first time you fill up, the pop-up will appear asking you to fill up the AI profile. That profile will tell our system or our AI your company background. Okay, or you can search from here also, can under AI profile. Okay, total there's 6 questions. If you have not filled up, then we will highly encourage you all to fill in these informations here. There's total 6 questions, like your company overview, what your company does. Okay, then your brand positioning, core strength. If you turn on, then you need to fill up the information. Okay, then your core strength, your product and services that you sell, your target audience, and of course, if you have like result and proof, like example, certification or testimonials from that, or rewards or awards that you have gained over the time. So these informations that you have informed the AI profile, right? This is where the our AI system will be able to pull the data from, which is why if you go to my ACE, in terms of our ACE overview, right? If you look at the company overview, it actually mentioned that New Pages is a web developer and SEO company based in Malaysia, established in 2007, serving SME across Malaysia with enterprise-grade digital solution. So this is what we have indicate in our company overview. So which is why if you go to ACE overview and then the articles or the title that generated is referring to SEO or website. All right, the topics are all mentioning about SEO or website. Okay, so this is to let you know how come the system so smart. When you generate, they can actually know what the content about. So just to let you know, the content is actually referring to your AI profile. Okay, so once you have set your AI profile ready and you have set up all this style and your preferences, then you can just click Save ACE Setting. All right, Save ACE Setting. And then it will bring you to the next step, which is where you need to publish you need to generate the article. So to generate the article, right? Okay, over here, just now, earlier I shared you the end product already. So now you have seen the end product. If all these article already been published, the green color, that means like example, this one are already approved. That means the following days or the specific date we will be published. If you choose like reject, then it will not be published. Yes, I want to reject it. If let's say, or you want to already publish and you want to hide it, you can also hide it from here. Okay, so these are just the command that you can set up for the articles in terms of based on your calendar. All right, now so I show you the end product. Now I'm going to show you how I do this product. All right. So you can actually click on regenerate. Should, let's say, for example, you don't like all these articles, or maybe these articles already published, is already over the date that the specific date, and you want to publish a new one. All right. So you can actually go here and click on regenerate. Okay. So when you click on regenerate, don't worry. Whatever your article already published on, it will still publish on your website. Okay, just to let you know, let's say, for example, I go to, before I click on the regenerate, I just show you the article that published. Oh, I can't, sorry, because this one is on the 6th of August and today is 5th of August. Okay, but let me show you one because prior to this, I already done one. This is how it will show. Okay, on the 2nd of August, which I already published, this article. All right, so it will still appear on your website. Don't worry. Okay, all these will still appear on your website. All right, so don't worry about that. So now when I click on this regenerate, let's say for example, I'm going to click on this regenerate plan. Okay, and there will be this pop-up. Okay, where I need to click on regenerate plan, and then it will regenerate the content, okay, the article in this case. Okay, I just click on get started. Okay, then first thing first is I need to choose the plan. All right, choose my plan. Okay, so I just click on set up my plan. Then there's two plans. All right, either you choose 7 days. Okay, every day it will publish for 7 days, or you can choose 14 days. All right, so if you choose 7 days, then the next step is content mode. Content mode, we got 3 total. We have 3. Number 1 is the create, which is recommended, but depending on your own preference. Create will be focused on publishing new blogs. All right, every time it posts, it will generate a new post, a new title, and a new post updates to grow your content surface. Okay, the balance, there will be a mixture of new and your existing content. Okay, existing, then that means it will optimize your existing content. Okay, that means previously you have already published, and then it will optimize it. Maybe you will add something or replace something on your existing one. Now, the third one will be optimize. Optimize, that means you don't publish new one. You just optimize what you already have on your existing one. Maybe some topics or title, you find it very, very good. You like it, then it will optimize based on the existing one. All right. Then after that, under content direction, this is where you can add more specific prompt or product or service or the topics that you want ACE to focus on. Let's say, for example, focus more on our key service categories such as website building and positioning, something like that. You maybe want to specifically mention on specific product or service, or you can highlight on that key pointers. You can put that here. All right. Let's say, for example, focus on a topic, focus more on my product, or focus more on my service. All right. So once done already, but this one no obligation. If you don't want, then just leave it. Okay, just keep it. Okay. But once you have done already, then you just build my calendar. Then is very simple. All right. So this one moment. I just go back to here is overview, and then after that, just click on build my calendar. Again, build my calendar, and then yeah. So it will generate the content, but like earlier I mentioned, it will take some time. Okay, like 7 days. I've chosen 7 days, and then there it will say it will need some time, several hours. So that's how you generate AI assisted content engine for your website. All right. So it's for busy people. Maybe you are very busy and you really don't have manpower to help you to manage your website, and you need you keep hearing that maybe we consultants or our consultants keep on mentioning to you, you need to manage your website, you need to update your content, and you don't know what to update. Maybe you have limited product, you have limited stocks. And this is also one way for you to manage your website, okay, by adding more articles to your website. And you can rely on this ACE system to help you to post content on daily basis based on the plan that you have chosen, either 7 days or 14 days. All right. So this is what I want to share with you on ACE. All right. Bye-bye.